I'm here to say Merry Christmas to everybody at Ratchet Friday, Braden Motorsports Park.
All right, we're going to Ratchet Friday. Waiting for my dad, of course. Taking forever. We're already late. What's this park like?
I should just go now then.
I don't want to roll alone. No, I'm not ready.
And what we have here is a beautiful example of what year is this?
It's a 1946 Winnebago.
Oh, it's dirty.
It's a 1910.
Whoa!
It's a
Hold on.
Handprint guy right here.
Yeah. What's this?
1910 Ford Model A. No big deal, you know.
Oh.
And they're still taking forever.
Well,
All right, we're gonna fly in there. Excuse me. What's going on in here?
We're fine.
You're
getting booped.
Yeah, you're getting booped too.
I'm getting what?
No,
hey, I gotta stop for a splash of fuel. Is there fuel on the way out there?
Yes.
Yeah, there's plenty.
We need to go to Shell though, because that's the only place I fill up.
So
Okay.
the BMW crowd is right here. In standard
BMW fashion.
BMW fashion, my man doesn't even have a turn signal. Not that he's actually going to use it.
I'm prepared for once where we actually go somewhere and I don't need gas.
Well, I don't know how much gas I have, so. No, my gas gauge does not work.
Of course, standard BMW procedure.
Yeah, typical BMW fashion, eh?
Yep.
It's dirty. There's bugs on it.
Whoa! What is this? We got a handprint up in here.
This thing doesn't stop anymore, it's too old. That's how you stick rags, never happened here, always out.
Here.
Really? We are at Bradenton Motorsports Park right now. So now we're just rolling into the show, Ratchet Friday. These people are gonna block the road apparently.
That's all good, I guess.
So we are at Ratchet Friday. We got Trevor and my dad here with us. We're gonna find a spot to park.
And here we are.
Should be some racing tonight. Eventually I'll be able to partake in racing, but not at this time.
We'll see what's going on around the corner, because that usually, like by that stage area, usually's got some good action going on. Fortunately, it starts a little early, so most people are just getting out of work now. All right, we'll be right back.
Yeah, what I was actually gonna do with you guys is put you next to that black E36.
All right, so we have no idea what she just said to do, so we're gonna do what we do best, and that is whatever we want.
Man, we were camping one year, and they were so small, but yeah, man.
What are we doing? What are we doing later? We're going to finish filming this Ratchet Friday edit. We have some things dropping. We just dropped the intro video. We are in the process of making a couple other videos. By this time, you'll have already seen the intro video and our Christmas wrap video. So, hope you guys enjoyed those. If not, we will put the video down here. Check those out for us. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Supra, we know.
This man locked his keys in his car
Idiot.
at the meet.
Around me are familiar faces.
Rookie mistake.
He was in here once.
Keys got locked in. The NSX.
You know, it's always something goes on. And it's not us this time.
The old cars are probably easier than the new cars.
Too much of an angle. The long reach in there.
Not yet.
Future self here. It's usually a pretty good idea to make sure you actually hit record when you thought you hit record while you're at an event.
Because we lost some clips from the Ratchet Friday vlog edit that you guys just saw.
So I apologize for the jumpiness of our edit. It's a little bit disjointed, but we're going to use the clips that we got and hopefully put together the best thing that we can for you.
Yep, and like we said before, learning experience, and we want to make sure that the content we're putting out is, you know, good for you guys and, you know, looks appealing. So we're learning.
We just left. Ratchet Friday was pretty successful. Good turnout. It's actually a lot of work. If you really think about it.
What?
Filming.
Oh yeah, dude, my body's like sore, and I didn't even, I mean, I filmed a little, but like.
Shout out to people who do this for like a living. I don't know how you do it. But yeah, Super made it. One more day.
Yep, hopefully home.
Hopefully.
So.